Several years ago, when my mom was going through cancer treatments, we decided to hold a formal holiday dinner to lift her spirits. My grandmother made a gorgeous table runner and these adorable napkins that looked like a tree. I was shocked at how easy they were to make, and now I'll show you how to make them so you can add them to your holiday table. The materials you'll need are 1 fat quarter of the main fabric, 1 fat quarter of the accent fabric, coordinating thread, a marking tool and a ruler, and an iron, steam optional. On the back side of the accent fabric, draw a line 17 inches long. Draw a perpendicular line from the center of the first line that is 8.5 inches long. Draw a curved line from both ends of the long line to the end of the perpendicular line. And cut out your fabric. If you aren't comfortable freehanding the shape, you can use a half circle template too. I'll leave a link in the description for one you can use. Flip the fabric over, draw a perpendicular line 5 1/4 inch from the end. Lay your accent piece on top of the main fabric, trace the shape, and then cut it out. Right sides together, clip your main and accent pieces together, making sure to mark an opening for turning. Sew around from opening to opening with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Clip the 2 corners, then around the curved side. Reach in through the opening and turn right sides out. When your seams are straight and corners poked out, tuck in the raw edges of the opening, then press. If using a tool that disappears when heat is applied, do not press over this line. Make sure all of your seams are nice and crisp. When you top stitch, start on the straight side where the line meets the edge. Sew down the edge to the curved side. Continue around the curved side and back to the starting. End by sewing along the perpendicular line. Top stitch 1/8 inch away from the edge. Sew directly on top of the line. At the straight line, fold the accent fabric over the main fabric, keeping the straight side flush, and press. Take the corner of the folded side, pull it back to the folded edge so that the straight edge is flush with the folded edge, and press. Lastly, flip the main fabric under the accent fabric, creating a third fold parallel to the second fold, keeping the straight edge flush with the first fold, and press. Now that you have this quick and easy napkin tutorial, give this video a thumbs up to let me know if you can squeeze in the time to make some. Then stay in the know for the last episode of the 12 Days of Holiday Sewing. See you next time. Drop down to the link in the comments to sign up for my newsletter so you don't miss any more tutorials.